Hi everyone, today's video is going to be about making your lips look fuller when you're doing your makeup. I'm going to show you a little tip with some white eyeliner, what I do to make my lips look a little bit more pouty when I'm going out. And sometimes when you use a lot of fillers with hyaluronic acid in the lip line, we tend to lose the look of the vermilion border, which is the lip line. So in order to enhance that, what we do, this is my natural lip line. So you can see the before. So you want to make sure you have a white eyeliner pencil, sharpen it, and you're going to trace your lip line. My mirror is here. Right above my lip line. So now you've lined around the lip. Now you're going to take your makeup blender and you're going to add on a little bit of foundation, very, very lightly, just to cover the white line slightly. So I'm just dabbing enough to make that white line kind of disappear, but still stay light. There you go. If you've done that, you want to take a Q-tip and take the foundation off the pink part of your lip, leaving the remainder white line that you just did. See, so if you notice there's a little bit more of a pout, it just gives the illusion that you have a poutier lip. And then I like to take my A&E ointment. You can use lip gloss, you can use Vaseline, you can use chapstick, whatever you like to use for your lips, and you put it on top just to give some hydration. I like a natural lip. This is my natural color. That's how you can enhance your natural lip, or if you want, you can even go to the next step and put lip liner on with lipstick and make them look even bigger. You can take a nude lip liner and outline. So the white liner was right on top of your lip line around the lips. Now you're going right on to the lip line. You can do this with any color you want. And I just lightly shade in the corners going towards the middle. Same thing on top. This section right here, I haven't really touched with the liner. I'm just gonna rub my lips together to even it out. And that lighter color in the center where I didn't put anything, it's just gonna give even more pout because it's gonna make the center look a little brighter. And that's it. That's gonna work whether you have fillers or no fillers, natural lips or filled lips. Either way, it's a great way to enhance your lips when you're doing makeup or you have a night out or you just wanna have a natural day but you want to enhance your lips a little bit. I hope you enjoyed the tip and please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day and stay safe. Bye.